Hi everyone, and welcome to another installment of AI Tools for Digital Nomads. I'm Gil Golden, and today we are talking about the top 3 AI tools digital nomads should use. We'll explore how to build a system, not just a setup, to enhance your digital nomad lifestyle. Many rely on random apps creating a disjointed workflow. Instead, build a cohesive system that enables seamless thinking, creation, and delivery, regardless of location or schedule. Gamma helps transform raw ideas into polished presentations, structured lessons, and organized content flows quickly. It provides direction at every stage, whether pitching a client, teaching a concept, or building a course, ensuring your work has the structure it needs to succeed. Deliver your ideas with HeyGen using AI avatars, allowing you to present without being on camera. Experience professional voice delivery either in your voice or a custom AI voice. Create polished video content globally without the need for a studio. The best news is that as of last week, Gamma and HeyGen have partnered up, allowing you to create presentations like this one all in one location. Notion serves as your command center, organizing and tracking everything efficiently. Plan by mapping out ideas, content calendars, and client work. Organize workflows, standard operating procedures, and projects for easy navigation. Manage your entire content pipeline seamlessly from concept to delivery. So here you have the entire system. Discover how Notion, Gamma, and HeyGen integrate to create a seamless workflow for total location independence. These tools empower you to plan, create, and deliver content efficiently, enabling a scalable online business. Embrace flexibility with no fixed office or hours. Enjoy freedom as your tools travel with you, ensuring your system is always active. Achieve scalability by building a system that grows, even offline. If you found this content useful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned as I'll explore these concepts further. I'm Gil Golden. Catch you later.